83 degrees, and right now still pretty mild. Look at temperatures in the area, just about 71 degrees for Atlanta, 67 for Marietta, 65 for Duluth. Look to our north though, Blairsville and Clanton already into the 50s. So yes, fall is here, dipping down into the 50s, and they're not alone. Much of the region will see overnight temperatures dip into the 50s. Atlanta a little bit warmer, just about 61. But look at this, Marietta, Canton, Duluth, Rome, Covington, Edenton, all into the upper 50s. Now that dry pattern is going to continue overnight and even into tomorrow. Not much on our radar if you zoom out. There's a high pressure system in our region right here. That's going to keep us dry for the next couple days. Really the only moisture is what's left over from Ophelia. Now that is making its way north as it gets to the northeast coast. But as that continues, we're not going to see much impact on our weather. Tomorrow we're going to be tapping out in the mid to upper 80s. Then you're going to see 85 for Atlanta. To our south, just a little bit warmer, but there's going to be a transition coming. I'll tell you about the rain we may see earlier in the week. Be right back. And fall is officially here. Today is the fall equinox, and such a nice day to be outside. This is our camera over in Athens, over by the Bulldog Stadium. Jeff, you saw this, right? Nice day to be watching the game. But temperatures right now looking really good. Just about 71, clear sky conditions as we go through. The winds not that bad, just about 6 miles an hour, and we're seeing temperatures cool down for tonight. Right now, much of Metro Atlanta will be getting into the overnight lows into the 50s. Yes, 50s are finally here. Atlanta a little bit warmer, just about 61 for Atlanta. But look at the rest of the area. You have literally everyone from Duluth, Athens, Edenton, Thomaston, like everybody into the 50s. So it's going to be a cool night. And by tomorrow morning, we're going to see things warming up just a bit. We're going to start off the day at 61 with sunny sky conditions by 4 o'clock, making it to the 83 degree mark, but things would definitely be cooler than they were overnight. So we're going to warm up tomorrow though into the 80s, a little bit warmer than we were today. So because of that, I'm not going to give this an 11 on the wazometer, giving it a 10 because it's just a little bit warmer than it was today. So you can't give it the same number, right? Today was really beautiful, but good news is those dry conditions are going to continue for the next couple days. We're going to see those dry conditions. In fact, not much moisture in our area at all. A high pressure system right here just kind of absorbing much of the moisture in the area. But where we are seeing moisture is the remnants of Ophelia. You can see that system now making its way north. As that does do that, look what's going to happen just about 8 o'clock on Sunday. We're going to see those moistures continue to move up. As it does, it's going to start building, breaking up our high pressure system, and we're going to start seeing clouds build in our area. As those clouds build, we then start to see our moisture chances increase on Tuesday. By Wednesday, definitely a 50% chance of rain. Those moisture chances continue as we tailor out the end of the week. Looking at our 7-day again tomorrow, we're going to start off with sunny sky conditions, about 85 for our high. Clouds starting to build in on Monday. Rain chances increase for Tuesday, increase even higher for Wednesday. That's our biggest chance of rain. The 50% chance of rain is really on Wednesday. Then those rain chances tailor off, and then by Saturday, clearing out just in time for the weekend. So it's going to be a good weekend, but those rain chances coming back. Sending it back to you, Jeff. Hey, we tapped out just about like 83 degrees, and look where we are right now. Already starting to cool down. Just about 70 for Atlanta, 62 for Marietta, 66 for Canton. But look to our north, Blairsville and Clayton already in the 50s. They're not alone. Much of the region will be dipping down into the 50s overnight, giving that first feel of fall overnight with that fall equinox coming tonight. So 61 though is for Atlanta, just a little bit warmer as we see those temperatures starting to dip. Now, good news is the dry air continues. Not much on the radar. In fact, we have a high pressure system in our area that's going to keep us clear from much of the moisture for the next couple days. But most of the moisture in the region to our north. This is the leftovers from Ophelia. You can see that actually making its way north right now, but not impacting impacting us. Tomorrow we'll have a little bit warmer temperatures topping out into the low to upper 80s, just about 85 degrees for Atlanta, 83 for Marietta, Canton, Rome, 85. To our south, just a little bit warmer. And I'll have your full day part coming up in just a few, and why there may be rain chances increasing coming back in a couple days. Sending it back to you, Jeff. Brought in some mild temperatures right now, looking good. Now things cleared out really quickly at the Georgia Stadium. Look at that, empty stadium, but right now 70 degrees. It was a wonderful night to actually be out and about watching that game. Tonight, clear conditions and temperatures will be cooling down into the 50s. Yes, I said 50s. So we're going to have 57 for much of the area. Marietta 57, Duluth 57, Canton 57, Athens, Atlanta just a little bit warmer at the 61 degree mark because, you know, just a little bit warmer here. Now what we're going to see tomorrow, though, look at this. We're going to only be warming up to about 61 when we wake up tomorrow in the morning at 8 o'clock, warming gradually with the sunny sky conditions to just about 82 by 4 o'clock. And then we're going to continue to see a warming trend. Now it's going to be a little warmer than it was today, so I'm not going to give this a 11 on the wazometer, only giving it a 10 on the wazometer because those temperatures are going to be a little bit warmer tomorrow. We're going to see mid to upper 80s, but again, very nice conditions. No rain in the radar at all. Look at them, no moisture, looking really good. We have a high pressure system really just over us, and that's going to keep our moisture away. Only moisture really is just coming from the remnants of Ophelia. And looking at this system, you can see right now it's actually made landfall early this morning, and it's going to continue to make its way north and then offshore. As it does that, it's going to break up the wedge and create a little bit more cloud cover for us in Atlanta. We're going to see a system starting to make its way in for us, and as it does that, our rain chances will increase in the next couple days. Look what happened. By Wednesday, rain chances really start increasing on Tuesday, bringing it into Wednesday. By Wednesday, 50% rain chance, and those rain chances will continue throughout the rest of the week, gradually decreasing from 50 coming down. But let's go back to the 7-day. You can see right now we got a 10 on the wazometer for tomorrow, 85 as the high, gradually keeping our temperatures into the mid 80s, and clouds coming back on Monday. Rain chances include on Tuesday, and increase all the way to 50% rain chance on Wednesday, gradually tapering off as we make it through the end of the week, and then clearing out by Saturday.